and we'll cherish it for the rest of our lives.
Day 2.
Pero bago ang lahat, samahan niyo po kami mag Blue Ocean Wave! Okay ba yan? Okay lang. Wow. Alam mo yung kami ganun.
Ganda, ang dami.
Doon ko na-realize kung gaano kadami na tayo. Gaano na tayo kadaming taga-suporta, tsaka mga naniniwala talaga. Actually, more than supporters, I think it's second family. Outside our real family. Invento siya eh. So, pwede po ba from the front to the back, gagawin po natin yung Blue Ocean Wave? Okay! Bibilang ako On the count of 3! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hanggang dulo mo! Opposite